This is part 13 of our beginner's tutorial. Now that we have understood the use of level and the arrangement and organization of our drawing elements, we will proceed with replicating these walls or this drawing, part of this drawing, by creating the walls and placing some windows using our tools for the drawings. Now here we have to use smart line. Let's say our start of the wall from the bottom is 6 meters. Let's place in the 6 meters line. Here upwards we also have a 6 meters line. Okay, now just to inform you, we have created a new level which is called new wall and set the color to green just to differentiate our new drawing from the existing drawing. So here we have set the new wall as our active level. Now that we have drawn the line, we have to offset this line by 150 so we can have this thickness of the wall. So let's use the move parallel command. Let's set 150, select one of the elements and select the outer portion. Another set of thickness is the plaster wall, which is around 25 mm. So here we still need to use the move parallel command and then we place 20 mm thickness. Select the line and then select the internal part, or let's say about 25. Select the move parallel and select the thickness to 25. Now the outer portion is thicker than the internal one, so we have to offset it by 50 mm. So using the move parallel command, we change to 50 mm. Then select the line that we need to offset and shift it outside. Now you can see that we have created the same wall with a different color and level. So just to close this wall first, we just place in another line. Select the end and then another end of the intersection line. We'll do the same on the other side. Here. So now we have replicated this wall with our new wall. Now we're going to replicate this window by using a tool, rectangular tool, and placing it. In order to do that, we have to arrange this window as another level and organize our work. So here we're going to go to the level manager and create new level, then call it new window, and we differentiate the color by using magenta for our window. Now the thickness and the dimension of these windows we can measure from the existing drawing. Let's say this is about 650 and the thickness is about 275. So here we can draw a rectangular block with a we need to set first and set the new window level as our active level. Then we can place the rectangle. We have the length of the window as 600 and our thickness is 275. Now that we have created the outer edge of the window, we can create the internal pattern or symbol for the window. Let's say we draw another line here and we choose to draw it nearest to this. Then we draw a line at the center. Then we need to mirror this line. Set the center, set vertical, select the midpoint of the line. Now, as you can see, there is a double line in this, so we need to set offset. Now we have to use our move parallel to offset these lines, so we can create the same symbol as what we have. So now we select move parallel, select the distance to 20, select the line. Now we created our symbol for the window. Now we have to place this within this space. The center of the window is about 800 mm from the edge of the window. So we need to create a reference line here. Then we have to move parallel this by 800 as our reference. Select the line on the other side. So this reference line we have to delete. Now we have this as our reference line for the center of the window. So we can extend this line and then trim it later, so we can place the center of this window to the center of this line as our reference. So here we need to select the extend line, select this line and extend it to the nearest line. Then we have to trim the outer line, so we can have the center reference of this line or midpoint of this line. So now we have to use the trim command, trim multiple. Select this, select the outer part, and now we have the reference line for our window. We can group this or make it as a cell, so it will be as one group, but for this exercise we're going to place it as exploded or multiple elements. So let's select the move command, select the midpoint, select the midpoint of this reference. Select the element, move, select the midpoint of the bottom line, select the midpoint, and now you can see that our elements has been centered based on our reference line. So we have to delete the reference line. We have to trim this wall that is protruding to our window, so we have to select the trim element, trim multiple command, trim the internal part of the wall. So now you can see we have created our window. We need to close this part with the wall, so we need to change the level to new wall. Select the line, close this line and this line. Select the other side of the wall. So now we have created our sample drawing for this wall following these dimensions and also this new window. So that's how you use all the tools command and the level commands to start a new drawing for Microstation. Thank you.